First open your web browser. In here, I am using Google Chrome web browser. After opening the web browser, first go to Google search engine by typing www.google.com in the address bar. Then type free download Sublime text on the search bar and press enter. Click on the first search result that appears in the search result page. It will take you to the official website of Sublime Text software. In here, you can see that there are several download options depending on your operating system. Sublime Text is compatible with Windows, Linux, and iOS operating systems. Since I am using a Windows operating system, I am going to download the Windows version. As soon as I click on this link highlighted as Windows, the setup file will begin to download. After completing the download, go to this PC, then Downloads. You can see the Sublime Text setup file in there. Sometimes you have to check on the programs inside the Downloads folder, in case if you don't see the setup file in here. Then double-click on the setup file. It will begin to install. Don't change any settings. Keep the default settings as it is. Just press Next and click on Install. After the installation is completed, you can see the Sublime Text icon on desktop. If you cannot see the Sublime Text icon on desktop, you can go to Start menu and find it there, or simply type Sublime Text in the search bar and open it from there. Once you find the Sublime Text icon, double-click on it. It will open the Sublime Text editor. Still, we are not ready to build our web page. We have to configure some small properties in here. First, click on View tab in the toolbar. Then go to Syntax. When you take your cursor to Syntax option, it will give you a list of available programming languages in Sublime Text. For web development, we will be mostly using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP. Sometimes we might come across jQuery, Bootstrap, and SQL. According to the need of the situation, we have to select the language from here. It is not mandatory to select a language from here. But, first selecting a language from here will be easy for us while working. You will understand this when we start working. So, for now, we will be using HTML language to build our first web page. So, select HTML from here. Then click on the empty space of the text editor and slowly type HTML. So, you can select the HTML from the given list using arrow keys and press enter. As soon as you press enter, the text editor will fill the entire page with all the necessary tags in HTML language, which we have to use in our web page. This is the syntax of any web page. It does not change from web page to web page. So, whenever we build a new web page, we can do the same thing, and the text editor will fill these tags automatically. We don't have to type them manually one by one. This is easy and saves lots of our time.